it's pretty simple what he needed to do, and he needed to have his own case going in the court at the same time that they had their case going. And I asked him, hey, do you have your suit before the court at this time? Well, no. Oh, really? Then you know you have no standing as a man. You do know that, right? You're wasting your time, everybody's time. You do know that. You are guilty because the court, their court, has a perfect case. They got the man. That's right. So what does the legal society require for to be like have a perfect case, like to get a conviction, to get proof that it's you? What do they need? They need they got the person, the legal person before them. Okay, got it. You fit the description. Okay, you're the man liable for the legal person. Got it. Yeah, this is your home residence. Yes, okay, we got that. These are the guns, and you can't have guns now. Nobody called it property. We call it guns. Yeah, they got that. So in the legal world, you're guilty. Yeah. Why didn't you flip it over and claim the world of man? Why didn't you claim it? They say, well, Dean says, well, Carl, I talked to a lot of your people, and they were talking about common law. I don't know what you're talking about, like common law. It's my belief. This is what's common to me and my people in my society. I don't know what are you calling it, like common law? Common law? Are you like actually looking for an exact term? Because the common law is unwritten. So if you're looking for an exact something, how are you going to get something that's an exact something when it's not even written? So it's like, well, we're talking about, bringing the court over to common law. It's like, well, you call it common law if you want to, but all I go in there and I just say, who's the man who claims I've done something wrong? I'm very sorry if I've done something wrong to my fellow man that I know I owe a duty and obligation to. Who else is making a claim I owe a duty and obligation? Well, the Crown. The Crown, is it a who? Is it a fucking what? I can't answer to a who, a what, but I can answer to a who. I don't know how to speak what. I don't know how to speak to a what. I know how to speak to a who. I know how to, communicate with a who. But how does one communicate with a what? Oh, why not? How do you communicate with a what? With paper, pen, and ink. That's right. You get it down into like a machine language. Oh, that's right. Symbols. That's right. That's right. You want a who here? Oh, you want a what? Oh, I get it. This is some cute little game. This is some sort of Boy Scout Society game, Girl Scout Society game. Oh, I'm in the legal society game. Oh, you're the ones that just happen to occupy and control this section of planet Earth at this time? Oh, we're not under Sharia law. We're not under Boy Scout law. Oh, we're not in Yellowstone Park. This isn't a Boy Scout Society hearing. Oh, this isn't a Girl Scout hearing. Oh, this isn't a Sharia law hearing. Oh, this is a legal hearing. I'm not part of the legal society. Sorry, I'm not part of the Sharia law society. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I trespass, but you got to let me go. I'm sorry. I'm just a man. Now, if a man comes forward, I don't care if I'm in a Boy Scout society or the legal society is having. It's like, no, you hurt that man. Oh, I did? Yeah. Well, he's part of the Boy Scout society. I don't care if he's part of the Eskimo society. I don't care what the fuck society is. Bottom line, you hurt that man. You trespassed on his property. You broke his whatever. You damaged his property. You struck that man. You whatever. I don't give a fuck what society you're from. Well, I'm from the Pope Society. I'm from the Holy Majesty the Queen Society. I'm from the Pope Society, and I could hurt man because the Pope gave me a fucking papal bull, and he says I could hurt any man I want. Well, I don't know what the fuck Pope you think gave you that fucking green light to go. I don't give a fuck what Adolf Hitler said, and he gave you an order to kill Jews. I don't give a fuck what piece of paper you think. You understand? You're in the world of man. You're in a common land. There is no fucking written words. There is no written orders. You know fucking better. Did you just trespass upon that man? Well, yeah, I guess I did. Well, dude, then you pay the price. Well, this order says I can. Nah, I don't give a fuck. This badge says I can. Fuck, I know. You're out of your fucking mind. That piece of paper doesn't say shit. That badge doesn't have multiple cords that belongs. It's so simple what I do. It's so scary. But like I said, thank God. And like Gus said to me, he says, "Call, man." He says, "I got to videotape you, man."
As a matter of fact, Carl, Gus is on the call. He just came in. I think he's on the chat board only, but he is on the call. So,
that's good. Because I was saying that about Gus earlier. I said, I'm sure, like I said, when Dean goes to court, the first thing he jumps up and says, I object to these proceedings in their entirety. And I said, that's the most ridiculous thing I ever heard. I said, look, are you trying to tell me, Dean, that say I want to bring a case into the public, say I want to bring an issue of concern, a matter of concern that matters to me, and I invite you to appear, and maybe you don't like that you invited, but you know what? You didn't put a notice in the terms and conditions of when you're going to appear, how now you're going to appear, or if you'll appear. If Carl can give me a reason why I'm to appear, No, you just come in, and I'm putting on a little show, and I got my little magic act going on. I got my little courtroom going on. I got my clerks there. I got everybody lined up. I'm ready to proceed. And I got some heckler, I got some moron that I invited to appear saying, hey, I object to everything Carl's doing. I say, hey, asshole, this is my turn. This is my show. Object to what? Dude, when you got your show, when you put on your case and you try your suit on in 20 minutes, I'm going to sit there and shut up. And I'm going to listen to your crap, okay? Just like you sit there and you shut up and you listen to my crap. It's my suit, my case. I've been preparing this for months. I've been preparing this for years. I'm ready to go. Let me perform, okay? Have the decency to just sit. If you don't like the show, like I said, the Bolly and them, just turn your head and look the other way. Nobody's telling you to talk. Nobody's telling you to interact. This isn't participation theater. This isn't interaction theater. You don't have to participate if you don't want to, okay? But be courteous. Be polite. Sit there and keep your mouth shut. If you don't like what they're doing, just let them do their thing. It's their turn. They paid the fee. They put the everything together. They put this little banquet, this little festival, this little court together. Let them do their fucking thing, okay? And then when it's your turn, you say, didn't you get my fucking notice? Didn't you get the memo? What? I said, if you wanted me to appear, this, and this has to occur. And I've sat here very patiently, and I still have yet to see it. When is it going to occur? And the judge could be like, oh, we did get the notice, and that's a very good question. You know, Mr. Prosecutor, what do you say? Well, Your Honor, no, don't to me, man. The man right there, he's fucking talking to you. Oh, I can't talk to him, man. It's like, you know that, Judge. It's like, yeah, I know that too. But you did get the notice, right? Yeah. And you do know what happens, right? Now, you do understand, right? I have to discharge this, right? You do know this. Just like I have in England, you do know this. We got the notice, right? We got the notice fucking 3 weeks ago, yeah. And he said he will appear on Friday the 13th in December, right? Yeah, okay. He's here. Not only is he here as a man, he's here with a claim. Yeah. And guess what that claim is going to do to your criminal complaint? It's going to cancel it out, asshole. I warned you. The other judge warned you 3 weeks ago. Don't fuck with this guy. But like I said, you know, there's a difference when Dean Clifford walked into the court and then when Gus walked into the court. Gus walks into the court, I'm sure maybe he wasn't laughing and joking like I was. I'm sure he was deadly serious. And I'm sure he just said, you know, I'm one to speak man to man, and I'm here to make the claim, you know, has any man done wrong, bring it forth now, blah, blah, blah. I'd laugh and joke about it. You know, because I'm so much more relaxed about it. I'm sure Gus was like, shit, man, I'm going to play this dead serious. But me, I'm going to, you know, act like, you know, like Peter Falk on Columbo. Like, gee, what was that again? What was that again? I'm seeking that's it. I'm looking for a man. That's it. The man. Who's the man? Is there a man here that I've done something wrong? You know that. I know. I'm just curious. You know, not that I'm saying that I haven't done anything wrong. I'm just kind of fucking curious. You know, see, Gus is deadpan, straight, boom, right into the performance, boom. Me, I'm gonna Peter Falk, and I'm gonna Columbo with. That's my style. That's what I'm comfortable with. Kind of play that. You know, maybe I'm stupid. Maybe I'm as stupid as I look. Maybe I am. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I really know what the fuck is going on. But maybe, are you really sure you wanna do this with me? Are you really sure you want to go any further with this? Are you sure? Because you never know. You know what? I just might know what the fuck I'm doing. And you know, if you keep doing this, you know you're going to make yourself liable. You know that. But I might not know what the fuck I'm doing. So you know what? Maybe you should proceed. Let's see where this goes. Try me. Put me on trial. Try me. Let's see what I know. Let's do this. So see, that's a lot more fun for me because I'm very confident about it. You know, like I said, and Gus was explaining that he's very serious about it. He went there like, I'm man to man, and I want to throw the man at the end, and I want to make the man claim that I've done something wrong. Who's the man going to come up, stuff like that. Not me, man. I make a joke. I think it's funny as shit. So you really want to do this? You sure? You don't have a man here. You know that, right? You know I'm a man, right? You really want to move this? Is that your wish? Is that what you wish? Is that what you wish to do, Bob? Is this how we're going to do this today? Is this what you want? Well, certain things like that to make them, a couple of key words to make them think. Now, are you sure? You really sure about this? I'm willing to go. I'm willing to do this. But Dean, man, he's just fucking, like I said, he goes, I object to this in entirety. Okay. And? So you're telling us you're a little brat. You're telling us you're a little 3-year-old, and your mommy, you told your mommy, I object to eating peas. And I ain't going to eat no damn peas because I'm cute. I'm being clever. And you're going to do it my way, damn it. Or I'm going to raise holy hell. And I'm going to threaten you. And when I get out, I'm going to get all you bastards. Yeah, right. Okay, so throw your little temper tantrum. You know, show us. Prove it. Show us what kind of man you are. I'm going to get all these bastards. I mean, you don't believe me, go listen to his talk thing, whatever his blog website, whatever he's got. Saying how when he gets out, he's going to get all those bastards that did this to him. Dude, you did it to yourself. Okay, what, you're going to go get your mom and your dad? You're going to go kick them in the nuts? Is that who you're going to do it to? Who failed to teach you? Who are you going to blame?